Okay, so what's up, YouTube? District ZMD here. I forgot to update my logo at the top corner, but whatever. Um, so we are going to. I screwed up already. I made a whole YouTube video and no sound recorded, of course. So I'm gonna be showing you guys. Yes, there's not many videos of how to create an Mw2 CFG menu. So I'm gonna be doing that. So you first got to download. I'll put a download in the description for this. But you first have to download Modding Aussie's CFG menu maker v4. It's just follow the steps that I'm about to go, you guys. Okay, so like it says directly when you download it, you'll get a file, WinRAR file. I'll put WinRAR in the description too. And you need to basically extract it to your desktop, anywhere actually, it doesn't matter. And you gotta open it, and that's about it. So that easy. So you open it, and then you go to you go to it. All right, so you're in it. All right, so your message title is like when you get CFG and you're in split screen mode, and like when you end it, there's like a black screen and it shows like welcome and all that, like in Eclipse V2 if anybody has ever used that. So local var blood means like the top right corner of your screen on the PS3. It'll say like words, and I put D-pad up to open, and these color codes behind it are the color codes to color it. And here are all the selections I did: blue and cyan, and the string is right under the VR blood. It's like the next sentence, I guess, kind of. But this is the game type. It's pretty like self-explanatory. Like it has like it's in the game type part when you're in a map. Like what it'll say in the game. Like it's hard to explain, but I'm gonna be calling it Project YouTube because it's an example, and I'm gonna be actually loading the CFG menu into my PS3 and showing you guys an example. But the recording is gonna be from my laptop, and to start it up, you have to type in everything you want, and then you want to enable everything you want, and I already enabled these two, so you click set text DVRs, and then you do your main color of the menu, which is like the word colors and all that, and you see I got cyan when you select over it, and your shader I put nothing, like it's just a normal one. I don't know how like show you guys, but you can have gold, a checkerboard, or a moving gold shader. And you just click set custom custom menu mods. Then you can add DVRs, which is like already like when you click select, it'll turn them on. Like UAV you can put, or aim assist, or like laser, or FPS, or something. And I put for my title Project YouTube, and I did spaces, or in these little blanks there's X's. Like you know how it shows an X on your controller. Well, there's an X. So yeah. And I think I messed up. Alright, there we go. I just put a space, some extra space. So I'm just gonna be doing examples. So I only did one sub menu, and which is host menu, and then the rest, blah da 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 da. Yeah, get it. So sub menu 1, which is host menu, and I've already put stuff in it because of my other video. But I did UAV, and then you just find it in a code. You just find it in a code, like a code. What is it called? Code Finder or whatever. You just look up code. You just look up on YouTube Code Finder. There's a ton of them, or like something Code Searcher or something like that. But I want to change that to caps. So you just create all this, copy all the codes in there, and you copy the no scope, only the first code. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna show you guys. I'm in my menu, and you're gonna find the no scope code somehow, which is right here. But at the end of it, it says set single fire, which is a single fire aimbot code. So you need to put the first part of it into there, not the set single fire, but the first part into there, and you just go to finish menu, and then add all the other codes you want to. It went with the other submenus. So you click finish menu, build mod menu, and you look for where you pasted the no scope aimbot. So you'll say VCR single fire. Click enter. You go where you found it, which is like another example CFG menu, and you find set single fire. So you copy all of it, all as the set single fire, till it reaches the end. Click Control C. Yeah, to paste stuff, to copy and paste things from the code finder to this is look, watch. So I just see how you copy is Control C, like you highlight it and then copy it. Control C, and then you click Control V to paste it. And then so let's get back to where we were, and let's go to where we did enter. Click Control V over it, and it'll say set single fire everything that you copied basically. And then you start from the top, and you just copy. You just scroll all the way down till it reaches the bottom. And then it reaches the bottom, so you click Control C. That means you copied all of it. So then you want to just type in Notepad or Notepad++. It don't really matter which what you got. Don't really matter. So then you make sure it's a blank Notepad thing. Click Control V, and you pasted all of it. So then after that, you got it all pasted. Make sure you have it all pasted, and then click Save As. Then you want to type in buttons underscore default.cfg, and then make sure to turn it to all files, not a text file or a text document. Make sure to click all files. Doesn't matter what encoding you do. Just make sure just keep it as ANSI, because that's what I always do and it works perfectly fine. So you click since I already got one in here, I'm not gonna overwrite it, but well yeah, why not just overwrite it? Click save. She already got one in there. So you just wanna. So I got my USB plugged in. EJZ, which is my initials, too, because I got another USB. And then you just go to where you copied or you saved the file as. And I saved it in my desktop. Wait, no, let's just go into here. You go into your where you copied it at, which is my desktop for me. On my CFG menus, my Mw2 CFG menu, YouTube example, and it should be right there. It doesn't have to say .cfg. Just when you know it's a CFG file, it'll say type right here. It'll say CFG file, and then you just drag it into your USB. Make sure you have no other USBs in there, and then you click then to make sure it's in there. It'll just click on your USB and it'll say it in there. Should say it's in there. Okay, so I'll be showing you guys the CFG menu example I've created. I just need to switch over to my PS3 right now. So I'll see you guys there, and it'll show the CFG menu I just created. So thank you guys for watching, and you guys will see my PS3 and the CFG menu I made. So that's about it, YouTube. I'll show you here in a minute. Bye. Okay, so like I guys told you, I'm back, and here, let me see if I can place it. The laptop right here, so I can record. I don't know if it's a good spot. You want me to see? Okay, so let's get it to where it shows it. So it says unknown CMD already. So see, now see it says Project YouTube. Right there it says Project YouTube, and it shows the X's that I said would say. And it shows host menu. See, that's what I put. And then I put the dots, which I don't know if you see, but there's host menu, and so you just click knife, because that's what I used. Or you just click knife here. So the controls are so you click square to go back, and the knife button to select the mod. So I'm in it, and there's UIV, and there's FPS. See, look here, I'll click it. See, 60 FPS says it right there. I don't know, you guys can't see it, but no scope aimbot, explosive bullets on, and then there's UIV. See, now on my UIV, I don't know if you can tell, but on my UIV now it shows the red dots. So here, let me just back out, and I'll show you that it works. I forgot to add jump hiding it, but watch. Look. Let me turn it on. See, now it's working fine. See, and this is the menu. That's about it, and it's all the mods I put into it. Looks perfectly fine. See, there's no shader behind it at all. There's no shader behind it at all. So, there's the dots that I put. And so that's about it. And thank you guys for watching. And look at the top, it says, D-pad up to open. I don't know if you can see it good, but at the top it says D-pad up to open. D-pad up to open, right there. That's like how I put it. And here, look, and the game type says what I wanted it to say. Right there. See, I don't know if you can see that, but if you can, it says right there, Project YouTube Emerald. So thank you guys for watching. That's about it, YouTube. And thank you guys for watching. This has been my tutorial on how to create a CFG menu. And see you guys later. Peace, YouTube.